Eating one Brazil nut every day is all you have to do to make sure you're getting enough selenium, that mineral, within your diet. See, most people are deficient in selenium. So in this video, I want to go over 5 foods that you should be eating every single day to improve your health and to make sure you're not deficient in certain key vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Now, the second food on the list is an avocado. Avocados are so loaded with nutrition. First of all, the average avocado has about 900 milligrams of potassium, plus super high in fiber. Now, the third food on my list is wild-caught sardines. I personally eat sardines just about every single day. Incredible source of protein, high in omega-3s, those healthy fatty acids. Another reason why I like sardines so much is that you're getting the bones within the sardines are high in calcium. Now, the fourth food on my list, I know you're gonna like this, is chocolate, but it has to be dark chocolate. You know, a lot of people say 70% cacao or higher. I like to go 85% or higher. This particular bar is 88%. Dark chocolate is high in magnesium, good for the brain. You know, actually high in fiber as well. Now, my fifth and final food that I think you should be eating every day is a vegetable green drink. This particular one is called Green Devotion. This is only 50 calories. It has 1100 milligrams of potassium. Start eating these 5 foods